Shabnam Gul. Shabnam Gul. Renowned poet Shabnam Gul was born on July 5, 1963 in Dadu to Dr. Bashir Ahmed Lashari. Her real name is Razia Sultana. Being the daughter of a traditional Baloch family, she faced many difficulties in pursuing education in various fields. But her father's encouragement encouraged her to move forward. Shabnam Gul received her early education in Sewan and Juhi, and then continued her education in educational institutions in Dadu, Hyderabad and Thatta. Shabnam Gul completed her MA in English from Sindh University in 1988. She also did an LLB along with an MA in political science. After 1990, she continued to serve in the education department as an English teacher in various colleges in Hyderabad. Shabnam Gul has been writing since her student days. During her graduation, she conducted more than 100 interviews with women and wrote several stories and columns for the Urdu newspaper Aman of Karachi. She has a prominent role in columnism. She has been writing regularly on political, social and psychological issues through newspaper columns. She has made many new and modern topics the subject of her writings. Her columns have been published in Sindhi, Urdu, English newspapers, Kavish, Jang, Dawn, Aman, Awami Awaz and Express. She has written columns, articles, features, interviews for these newspapers. Shabnam Gul has been associated with the IBART group of publications. Apart from being an advisor on the editorial board of IBART magazine, she was the editor of Bakhtawar, a magazine for women published by IBART group of publications in 1999-1. She was also the editor of the literary page of Jajo newspaper for 2 years during 1997-91. During 1986, she was introduced as a commentator on radio. Apart from this, she also commentators on several literary programs. She hosted popular programs like Sagwin Seth, Sagand, Sab Miran, Rahan and Taranbari Rat. She started her stage career by hosting the International Sindhi Conference, organized by the Sindhi Department of the university. Apart from this, she also hosted various literary programs along with the programs of the English department. She has hosted hundreds of literary stage programs till now. In 1986, she acted in the television Sindhi drama Manandar Mekon. This drama was presented by producer Faiz Baghi, while the writer was Aga Rafiq. But she decided to remain associated with the field of composing instead of dramas, and started television composing through Badal Jamali's program Sindh Rang. From 1989 to 1995, she also composed Sindhi and Urdu programs of Pakistan Television, Karachi Centre. Her compositions were highly appreciated. He did successful programs in Urdu on TV like Sindh Karang, Sagwin Seth, Sachin and Sir Latif. Apart from composing on radio, he also wrote plays. His first play written for radio, Ajmal Dev, was broadcast. After that, he wrote many plays in Sindhi and Urdu. His plays written in Urdu, Khawab Raza and Tapsh, were declared the best plays of the year. These plays were produced by Syed Noor Azar Jafri. The Urdu play Abar Grezan was selected for the award. The award for the best production of this play was given to producer Ilyas Raza. Shabnam Gul has also written plays for television, which have been broadcast by PTV, KTN, and Hum TV. His play Hum Kalanch Hum TV was broadcast. The soap opera, consisting of 50 episodes, gained popularity in its time. The producer of this play was the famous actress Laila Wasti. Her book Leran Jo Geet, which consists of radio and television dramas, was published by Rumi Publishers in 2021. Shabnam is an expert in fiction and non-fiction literature. She is well versed in the nuances of prose genres. She has written many short stories. Shabnam Gul was introduced to the field of Sindhi storytelling in 1989. His stories have been published in famous Sindhi magazines. He has made human psychology and social problems the subject of 5 articles in his stories. He has given priority to topics related to Sindh on a priority basis. 3 books of his stories have been published, including Onjatal Shahjo Nakshu, published by Newfield Publications in 1994. His second book of stories, Klihanjo Duj, was published by Popat Publications Khairpur in 1997, which was also declared the best book of the year by Sindhi language. His third book of stories, Ajari Kahani, is a collection of stories written on psychology, which was published by Recon Publications in 2024. Shabnam Gul's autobiography, My Sunbeam, was published in 2008. Which was well received by the readers. Shabnam Gul also started poetry in 1991. She has written ghazals, poems, rhymes, and haiku. The great poet Sheikh Ayaz, while praising her poetry, has said that Shabnam's poetry has the courage to vent her anger against the male-dominated society. Thus, Shabnam's long poem Kod Kalami holds an important place in Sindhi poetry. Her poetry collection Akhiri Lubash was published in 1993. Her second poetry collection Dad Ji Lai was published in 2020. The chapters of this book are written by Ahmed Salim and Imdad Hussaini. Shabnam Gul has written many columns / articles on the subject of psychology. Her major book on psychology, Kod Shanane Jo Yohar, was published by Sindika Academy in 2019, which was declared the best book of the year by progressive writers. Another book of Sindhi columns, Lafzan Jar Deep, was published in 2019 by Naya Nyapu Karachi. Her Urdu book on the subject of psychology, Tahat Sheikh Bari Sakta, was published in 2021 by Fiction House Lahore. In the same year, her book of Urdu columns, Pyasi Leherin, was also published by Fiction House. Shabnam Gul has also written travel articles, which were also published in Kawash, Urdu Express and Dawn newspaper. Her Urdu travelogue Khawab Nagar was published by Kacho Publication Karachi in 2021. Shabnam wrote a novel on the topic of environment Miki Kam Makwani in 2015, which was declared the best novel of the year by Sindhi Language. Shabnam Gul has conducted scientific and psychological research on Latif and Sufism. A comparative review of the poetry of Shah Latif and William Wordsworth was first published in Dawn newspaper in 2004. After that, she wrote several articles on Shah Latif and Hazrat Sashal Samast in Sindhi and Urdu. Her book on Latif, Shah Latif and Aesthetics, was published by Fiction House Lahore in 2024. In the same year, her major book on Latif, Shah Latif and Foreign Poets, A Philosophical Study, was published by Peacock Publishers, Karachi. The book includes poets from around the world, including William Wordsworth, William Blake, William Shakespeare, John Milton, Keats, Walt Whitman, and John Donne. While remaining constantly active in the literary world, she has given unique and modern themes to Sindhi literature. She has received many awards and certificates. She has been a member and secretary of the Board of Governors of the Sindhi Language Authority. Shabnam Gul retired as principal from Government Girls Degree College on the 5th of July 2023. She was married in 1995 to Ishtaq Ansari, a renowned researcher from a famous literary family of Sindh, who is the son of the famous Sindhi fiction writer Anis Ansari. Shabnam has 2 children. Her children Aryan Ansari and Azam Ansari are also interested in science and literature. Shabnam Gul's personality, art and thought are an ideal role model for future generations.